Namaskar, I am Saurav Jain and today in this video I am going to share with you 9 free SEO tools that can help you bring your website on number 1 position on Google. The first recommended tool for you is SEO Optima. SEO Optima is an analyzer and does a complete analysis of your website. When you log on to www.seooptima.com, you can submit your URL, and as you submit, you shall get a detailed report on your website's performance with respect to your search engine optimization. For example, when you Google something, you usually see title and a meta tag. SEO Optima shall tell you how good is your title and meta tag, how consistently you have been using those keywords, how many backlinks you hold. It also gives your domain authority score and tells you about your website speed. And not to forget, it also does a responsive test to see if your blog or website is tablet, mobile, desktop and laptop friendly. Second tool for you is Google Keyword Planner. This is a product of Google that can help you discover the search volume of keywords. It will also tell you how competitive those keywords are. Search volumes can help you decide on some of the most popular keywords for your next blog post. You have to log on to Google Keyword Planner, type in your keyword, choose your location, and it shall give you the suggestions of all the keywords with the search volumes up there. The third tool for you is keywordtool.io. You're running short of keyword ideas, want to get an exhaustive list at one place, log on to keywordtool.io, enter your keyword and you shall get 700 plus keywords and their search volumes. This is your base. Pick each of these keywords and draft a blog title and a blog post around it, and this can actually help you in doing a smart SEO strategy for your blog or for your website. The fourth tool recommended for you is the Yoast SEO plugin on WordPress. This makes your SEO a lot easier for your blog or WordPress based website. There's both paid and a free version. You can use either of them. Every time you publish a blog post, it will tell you how SEO friendly is your article and gives you a label of your SEO status. So this will actually help you in devising your SEO a lot better for every blog post up there. With Yoast SEO plugin, you can enter your title tag, meta tag, add your feature image, and it can be totally different than the actual title. This could just be designed for your SEO strategy alone. You can also add a completely different title for your Facebook post using the Yoast SEO plugin. So this makes your Facebook title a lot more interesting and you can bring a lot more traffic to your site. To get maximum results for your blog post, Yoast SEO is the best, and every single time you upload a blog post, this tool updates the sitemap on its own. Now let's look at the fifth important tool, which is Google Search Console. With Google Search Console, every single time you upload a blog post, it generates XML sitemap. You can integrate your Yoast SEO with your Google Search Console, and it can figure out how many impressions you have got on Google, how many clicks, and what has been the average position of your blog on search results, which keywords you get a lot of impressions for, and which has been the best performing content on your site by far. As a SEO specialist, you can make use of those keywords that people have been searching and visiting your site and write more blog posts or adjust them in your existing content strategy, title tag, description and more. Remember, a good on page can help you rank on top of Google without having to build a single backlink. So ensure that your on page is absolutely perfect. The sixth tool that I would recommend for you is Google Trends. Let's take an example here. There are two brands, Domino's Pizza and Pizza Hut. Both of them sell pizzas and there's not much difference. They have been using same set of keywords, same number of backlinks. So what would Google put on top? So Google will put those websites on top which is more popular. So when people are searching for a particular brand, this actually impacts your SEO strategy. So when there's more popularity, the artificial intelligence basically recommends Google to ensure to put the most popular one in the forefront and the less popular one in the back end. So please ensure that you use Google Trends to compare those particular keywords or the brands and start understanding the popularity for those trends by using Google Trends. The seventh tool I would recommend to you is Google PageSpeed Insights. Many free SEO tools will tell you about the speed with which your blog loads, but they won't tell you where exactly the problem is. Google PageSpeed Insights gives you all the minute details that you can fix and ensure your website or blog loads a lot faster, which is very important for SEO. Let's look at eighth tool. It's Copyscape. You know Google hates plagiarism. If you copy paste my content on your blog, Google will penalize you and your website will never rank. It is not a healthy practice. So many bloggers and website owners hire content writers and publish content on the site without checking the content is plagiarized or not. Copyscape can help you check every link of your site, and if the content has been taken from any specific site, it gets mentioned right there. So you can use Copyscape for your plagiarism check for the content which has already been published on your site. So this is the ninth and final tool of this video, which is called Mozbar. You can integrate this tool with your browser as you start searching on Google. The results will come along with domain and page authority score, number of backlinks the site hold, just for you to give a quick understanding where does your competition or relevant website stands on Google. Just on one page you can compare so many sites with just this extension which is called SEO Mozbar. So these are 9 effective free tools for your SEO practices. If you love my work, please do not forget to follow me on instagram.com/SauravJain, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon right there. Dhanyavad.